Page 8, about halfway down. All right. Who's turn to pick for number 1? Read that last one. Go ahead, pick someone, please.
All work must be held securely in the blank at all times.
Vice. We have a vice here. What's really nice about this particular vice is it moves. All right, so if we had a piece that we were cutting a bunch of holes in, I could adjust it without having to unclamp it every single time. You guys are going to be drilling a hole in your side piece for your sheet metal project. So I'm going to show you the tomorrow sheet metal project. This is my partially finished one. What do I need to drill on this?
Holes.
We need to drill these holes right in back here. What are those for?
Screws.
We're going to put screws so we can attach it to the wall. Right like that. Alright? So what we have to do is we have to drill a hole right through the sheet metal. It's a lot easier to do it before it's all put together like that. So we're going to do that on the drill press here. Next one, please. Take some on the table.
That's it. That's it.
The blank needs to be tightened in at least 2 or 3 holes.
What's this part?
The chuck.
Chuck. Chuck. I need to change my drill bit out here. Metals, guys, move everything up. All right, so we're going to loosen using, what's this little tool?
Chuck key.
Chuck key. Do we leave that thing sitting in there? Never. Never. All right, when we're going from a really large drill bit like that one to a smaller one, we can't adjust the chuck by hand here. Goes a lot quicker. We're trying to do it the old way. Chuck. We're going to drill 1/4 inch holes. That way most screws that you're going to find at home will go right through, no problem. All right. How many holes? At least 2 or 3 of them. Make sure that thing is nice and tight. All right. Pick one, please, Destiny.
Prior to drilling, all pieces need to be marked with a blank to help deter the bit from walking.
What's this?
Center punch.
This is center punch. All right. So we're going to use our center punch along with, what's that tool?
A hammer.
What kind of hammer? It's in your
Ball-
packet. Ball peen hammer. So we're going to use the center punch and the ball peen hammer. We're going to mark the center point here that I've already laid out ahead of time. Like that. All right. So that is the whole reason for our whole purpose of that. All right. Next one.
Skywood.
Which one do we skip? 3? Oh. Once the chuck is tightened, the blank must be removed.
Key.
Chuck key.
Toolbox.
And it's going to be placed in the little toolbox on the table next to it. And Skylar, I think you got picked for number 5 there.
Scrap.
What's that? Piece of wood. Piece of wood. We have tons of scrap wood available to us, right? Yeah. All right. So the way this works, what we're going to do is we're going to line up my piece with the drill bit. We're going to go through it, right? Am I going to hold this by hand? No. Absolutely not. What happens if that thing catches and I lose control? It's going to slice my hand up really good. It's like I got a little spinning razor blade attached to that drill bit. Not good, right? We don't want that. So, again, another type of vice grip here, guys. So we have little vice grip clamps. All right? We attach it just like that. And that's going to hold that guy nice and secure for our purposes here. So, very easy. These holes are very small. We don't need to oil them. If we were going through a piece of thicker steel, that's why you see all the oil all over on the table. Guys don't necessarily always clean it up the best. But, all right, so we're going to go right there. You guys will not have to worry about adjusting speed or anything. And we're going to drill right through. There we go. Pretty simple, right? All right, questions? All right, that is where we are going to stop for today.